Mila's getting her first haircut.
Here's some bear. Who's this? You want me to hold
Go
it?
in front of you. We're gonna get rid of the mullet today.
Mila can say mullet.
Here, turn and look at the camera, Mila. Mila, tell the camera. Say mullet. No more mullet.
You just made my day.
Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. Can you be still, sweetheart?
Giddy up. Do you have a lot of fun getting up at home?
Sit down. Sit down. On your bottom.
Here, Mila, do you want to watch the movie?
Almost.